Welcome to the Widget series. A widget is a self-contained graphical user interface element designed to perform a specific function within a larger application. Think of widgets as mini programs that help you access important information or perform quick tasks without opening the full application. Widgets are the building blocks of modern applications and user interfaces. Widgets fall into four main types. Information widgets display data that changes over time, like weather, clocks, and scores. Collection widgets show multiple items such as photos, articles, emails, and messages. Control widgets trigger actions without opening the app, like light switches or playback buttons. Hybrid widgets combine multiple types. For example, a music player that shows information and has control buttons. Each type serves different user needs. Great widgets share 6 key characteristics. They are focused, performing one specific task efficiently. They are glanceable, conveying information at a glance so users understand them instantly. They provide fast access to actions without opening the full app. They are customizable, allowing users to configure size and content. They are relevant, showing valuable data users actually care about. And they are responsive, updating automatically when new information becomes available. Widgets exist across multiple platforms. On iOS, widgets appear on the lock screen and home screen using WidgetKit technology. Android offers home screen app widgets through the App Widget framework. Windows provides a widgets board and dashboard using adaptive cards. Web platforms use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for embedded widgets. Wearable devices like smartwatches and smartbands have dedicated widget systems. And on desktop applications, frameworks like Qt and GTK provide widget components for building user interfaces. Several frameworks help developers build widgets. Flutter is a cross-platform framework written in Dart that works for mobile, web, and desktop apps. React Native uses JavaScript to create native cross-platform mobile applications. iOS developers use WidgetKit with Swift for modern widget development. Android uses the App Widget framework with Kotlin or Java. Choosing the right framework depends on your target platform and development goals. Follow these best practices when developing widgets. Keep them simple by focusing on one specific task. Optimize performance to minimize CPU and battery usage. Maintain design consistency by matching your app's colors and style. Ensure responsiveness by adapting to different screen sizes. Provide real-time updates keeping data current and fresh. Prioritize accessibility to support all users equally. Make widgets customizable so users can personalize them. Perform thorough testing across all devices. And write clear documentation explaining functionality. The widget landscape is evolving with exciting new trends. Artificial intelligence is being integrated into widgets for intelligent personalization. Progressive web apps blur the line between web and native widgets with offline capabilities. Performance focus continues with lightweight widgets using native compilation. Wearable devices are expanding widget possibilities beyond phones. Augmented reality and virtual reality widgets are creating immersive experiences. And IoT connectivity allows widgets to control smart home devices and interact with internet-connected devices. Let us summarize the essential widget concepts. First, focused purpose. Widgets excel at doing one thing well, and simplicity is strength. Second, user-centric design. Success depends on relevance, accessibility, and customization. Third, cross-platform ubiquity. Widgets exist on mobile devices, web browsers, desktop computers, wearables, and IoT devices. And fourth, continuous innovation. Artificial intelligence, augmented reality, virtual reality, and IoT integration create new widget possibilities for the future.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.